fan. And for today I have for you like another swatch video, जैसे कि टाइटल में देख ही लिया होगा, from none other than Juice Cosmetics. Oh my god, you guys, Juice again sent me this beautiful box with some more new polishes, and I'm pretty excited to show it to you guys. I made like an unboxing reel on Instagram. अगर वो like live हो गई होगी तो I'll link it down in the description box below. So go check it out, give it some love over there. And if you want to see the swatches of these polishes I got this time, then just keep on watching the video, and I'll catch you at the end of the swatches with all the good stuff like about the brand, about these polishes, my favorite, which one I didn't like, and all that good stuff. So you go ahead, enjoy the swatches. Alright, you guys, so these were the 4 creme polishes that I ordered. Those were like more of pastel and light shades, so almost all of them were 3 coaters. और वैसे भी मैं बहुत thin coat apply करती हूँ, तो I prefer like applying thin coats over 2 thick coats. तो मुझे 3 coat चलेगा, कोई problem नहीं है. मैं बीच में इसलिए आई because the next set of polishes that I'm gonna be showing you, मैं उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बोलना चाह रही थी. Like if you have seen my last juice का swatch and review video ना, I'll link it up in the cards, also in the description box below. Go check it out if you haven't already. उसमें I mentioned a polish which is pink with black particles, hexes, whatever you want to call them, जो कि dragon fruit की तरह लग रही थी. That is my favorite, absolute favorite polish from that collection. तो इस बार when Juice asked me now what all polishes I wanted, I ordered a few more colors in the same range. इस बार I went with some blues and greens, so that's what you're gonna be seeing next. And I don't think so I can pick any favorite from those, but let's see. So you go ahead, enjoy the swatches. yes guys, these were the swatches of these beautiful polishes. Now let's talk about the brand as usual. So Juice sent me their polishes in this beautiful white cardboard box which has like a magnetic clasp over here, and I absolutely love these boxes. I have one over here, पीछे एक background में भी रखा हुआ है, तो मेरे पास दो हो गए, which I'm very happy about. Anyways, talking about this brand, it's I suppose it's vegan, it's cruelty free, it's made in India, the polishes are very inexpensive. और मैं हर बार कहती हूँ और मैं इस बार भी बोलूँगी, इफ़ यू वांट जूस का पॉलिशेस ना, गो चेक आउट योर लोकल स्टोर्स. बहुत ही सुंदर पॉलिशेस तुम्हें अपने लोकल स्टोर पे मिल जाएंगी इस ब्रांड की. दे ऑल्सो हैव अ वेबसाइट विच आई लिंक डाउन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो, तो तुम वहाँ जाके भी इनकी पॉलिशेस ब्राउज कर सकते हो. दे रिटेल फॉर जस्ट 75 रुपीज ईच. दैट्स इट यू गाइज. तो मतलब अगर ये ऐसी इनएक्सपेंसिव सी पॉलिशेस है तो उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि क्वालिटी बेकार है. क्वालिटी इज बॉम्ब यू गाइज. और उनके पास इतनी टेक्सचर्स, फिनिशेस और क्या क्या नहीं है, मतलब हर किसी को अपने लिए कुछ ना कुछ तो मिल ही जाएगा. अब मेरे फेवरेट की बात करें तो ऑफ कोर्स मेरा फेवरेट उसी रेंज से होगा जिसमें लाइक दो क्रीम बेस विथ ब्लैक हेक्सेस और ब्लैक डॉट्स, वट एवर यू वांट टू कॉल देम. एंड दिस टाइम आई लव दैट डार्क पैरेट ग्रीन वाला जो शेड था ना, आई एब्सोल्युटली लव इट. माई क्लोज सेकेंड फेवरेट विल बी द ब्लू, द डार्कर ब्लू वन, बट द ग्रीन वन आई एब्सोल्युटली लव. और मैं कहती हूँ कि ग्रीन पॉलिशेज आर नॉट इनफ इन दिस वर्ल्ड, सो एवरी ग्रीन पॉलिश काउंट्स एंड दैट इज माई एब्सोल्यूट फेवरेट. When it comes to the creme polishes, of course मैं कहूँगी those are 3 coaters. वैसे 2 कोट में एकदम से opaque नहीं हो जाती, but yeah, you can make them opaque if you want to apply thicker coats, but I prefer thinner coats as I said in the intro. So yes guys, this was all about these new polishes Juice just sent me. If you want to watch nail art using these polishes, I believe I already uploaded couple on my Instagram, so go check it out. I'll mention the handle somewhere here on the screen. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, it's completely free, and don't forget to ring that bell icon beside it so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And as I always say, maintain social distancing, stay safe, be kind to the animals around you, keep yourself hydrated, and yeah, I'll catch you in my next one. Bye bye.